Good afternoon. Welcome here at Ladros Philippines. Today it's raining quite heavily, but it will not stop us from installing our dashcam on this Ford territory. We have here the A129 Plus Duo. This is a dual channel dashcam that has 2K resolution for the front and a 1080p resolution for the rear. Now this uses genuine Sony Starvis sensor, which is the best in the market when it comes to dashcam products. So let's take a look at inside. We have the front already installed, and that's the front camera, front unit. And at the back, we have already the rear camera also set at the far rear of the vehicle. So again, this is a dual channel dash cam. It's going to record 2K resolution, which is quite exceptional when it comes to the dash cam market. At the same time, what's unique about dash cams like Viofo, which is a brand that's very popular in the United States or other countries, this one actually offers a buffered parking mode, which allows the camera to record even when the vehicle is parked. So it's simply saying that even if your vehicle is not moving or you're not driving your vehicle, you are still getting money returned from your investment because the dashcam is still operational. Alright guys, so if you're in the market for dashcam products, do consider us here at Ladros Philippines. We are the exclusive distributor or dealer for Viofo dashcams here in the Philippines. Thank you. Have a great day.